Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. And after watching the intro, and by now you should have known about the Xiaomi Poco F1 Master of Speed smartphone. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing and first impression on this impressive phone.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just a pain when you felt it all.
The Xiaomi Poco F1 smartphone is a highly anticipated smartphone in the Xiaomi community and some countries around our region. Why is that so? It all boils down to four main points. If you have not watched the launch of the Poco F1 in India, do let me break it down for you. Before that, let's see what you'll get in the box. Upon unboxing, you'll find the paperwork, soft case, charging brick, Type-C cable, ejector pin, and of course, the phone. The main selling point of this phone is the brain. It is using the latest AI-powered octa-core Snapdragon 845, which you could only find it in most flagship phones. When I say flagship phone, I mean those top-of-the-line phones from various brands like Samsung S9 Plus and Oppo Find X. Both phones are above the $1,000 mark, which is at least double the price of this Poco F1 smartphone. Equipped with the fastest chipset, you can almost throw anything at it and it will still run apps with a breeze. That includes watching videos, multitasking, and even FPS gaming. Talking about gaming, if you want to find out how this phone did with PUBG Mobile, do check Adrian's video out where I'll leave the link below. If you game using your phone frequently like Adrian does, then you will know that current smartphone gets hot after a long period of gaming. In order to solve this issue, Poco have provided liquid cool to help dissipate the heat and let you play games for hours without feeling the heat. This is another cool feature that you could only find in those expensive flagship or gaming phones like the latest Note 9 and the Razer's gaming phone. I think you guys know how much both of these phones will cost, so yeah. Next are the cameras. Initially I was quite skeptical about it cause it has a 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and then a whopping 20 megapixel camera in front. I'm thinking like, why doesn't Poco have a 20 plus 12 megapixel for the rear camera and 5 megapixel for the front? Since you're taking close-up picture in selfie mode, you don't really need that much megapixel at the front, right? Personally, I would prefer to have more megapixel at the rear so that we could capture clearer, sharper picture and video, right? Nonetheless, I took it for a spin and boy was I wrong. Let me show you some pictures here, but you'll have to wait for the part 2 of my video to have my overview about the performance of this phone. Last but not the least is the battery. Although they are not the first to introduce this, but at least they are able to throw in a 4000 mAh battery into the package. Remember the recent A2 I reviewed, which is able to run its 3000 mAh batteries for more than 8 hours. I think all of us will know what this 4000 mAh battery will give us. Anyway, I will put the results in my next video, so do stay tuned and check them out when it's out. Right before we go into the price, let's go through the rest of the specs real quick. We have a 6.2-inch IPS display that produces 1080p resolution and it runs on Android Oreo, which will be upgraded in the very near future to Pie. It has 2 card slot and has 2 variants for our current market, the 664 and the 6128. When I'm doing this video, there's only the 664 version in the Lazada store, but they title it 664 and 6128. So I presume it will arrive in our shores soon. I will put the Xiaomi Lazada store link down below. Alright, you must be curious how much this phone will cost with all these goodies that have been packed into this shell. Right now, there are only the graphite black and the steel blue, which I'm currently showcasing. I'm not sure if Xiaomi going to bring in the Rosa Red and the Armored Edition, but I really do hope they will bring in the Armored Edition. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. So, as you can see from the Lazada page, the phone cost merely $449. How did they do it, you might ask? I will answer that question in my next video as well. So for now, that's it for the unboxing and some sneak peek on the camera performance. As always, thanks for watching and your continued support. Please hit the like button if you like this video, comment if you have any, and do consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Also, do follow me on my social pages, the links are in the description below. You have a good day, cheers, thanks, bye.